হ্যালো মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস, আশা করছি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো এবং সুস্থ আছো। আমরা জয়েন্ট এন্ট্রান্স এমএসসি নার্সিং ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল 2022 প্র্যাকটিস করব। বিভিন্ন এক্সামে বসার আগে প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার কোয়েশ্চেন প্যাটার্ন দেখে নেওয়াটা খুবই জরুরি। আমরা অলরেডি এমএসসি নার্সিং এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামের 2023 দেখে নিয়েছি, এখন 2022 পেপার দেখে নেব। এবং যারা আদার্স এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামের প্রিপারেশান নিচ্ছ তাদের জন্য বলি, আমাদের চ্যানেলের শর্টস ভিডিওতে গিয়ে সমস্ত ইমেজ বেস কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো দেখতে পাবে। এবং যারা এখনও পর্যন্ত চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করোনি তারা অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিও পরবর্তী ভিডিওর জন্য। তো চলো বন্ধুরা, দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক। ভিডিওটা প্রথম থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখতে থাকো। আজ আমাদের ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন হলো, দ্য প্রসেস অফ হিলিং অফ টিস্যুস ইনভলভস অল অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং স্টেপস এক্সেপ্ট অপশন এ কোয়াগুলেশন অ্যান্ড হিমোস্ট্যাসিস, অপশন বি ইনফ্লামেশন, option C non-proliferation, and option D wound remodeling and scar formation. Here the right answer is option C non-proliferation. Question number 2. Which blood cells are produced antibodies in our body? Option A B lymphocyte, option B T lymphocytes, option C monocytes, and option D RBC. Here the right answer is option A B lymphocyte. Question number 3. Diorama refers to option A 3D arranged of object of a concept, option B 2D arranged of object of a concept, option C role play on a problem, and option D molded image of any object. Here the right answer is option A 3D arranged of object of a concept. Question number 4. The nurse is administering intravenous chemotherapeutic drug to a patient. Which assessment would require the nurse's immediate action? Option A stomachitis lesion in the mouth, option B severe nausea and vomiting, option C complaint of pain at site of infusion, and option D a rash on the patient extremities. Here the right answer is option D a rash on the patient extremities. Question number 5. Which theory was proposed by Karl Marx? Option A fascism, option B communism, option C socialism, and option D behaviorism. Here the right answer is option C socialism. Socialism was proposed by Karl Marx. Question number 6. A common data collecting instrument in nursing research is option A interview, option B questionnaire, option C critical incident, and option D all of these. Here the right answer is option D all of this. Question number 7. Marriage is option A important and universal social institution of society, option B helpful in strengthening the caste system, option C important basis of group formation, and option D helpful in calming down the anger of two conflicting groups. Here the right answer is option A important and universal social institution of society. Question number 8. Lymphatics are found in option A brain, option B choroid, option C spinal cord, and option D dermis of the skin. Lymphatics are found in dermis of the skin. So here option D is the right answer. Question number 9. What type of counseling is applicable for a student who is not cooperate her peer? Option A developmental counseling, option B facilitating counseling, option C preventive counseling, and option D crisis counseling. Here the right answer is option A developmental counseling. Question number 10. Unidirectional flow of nerve impulse is at option A synapse, option B axon, option C ganglion, and option D all of these. Here the right answer is option A synapse. Unidirectional flow of nerve impulse is at synapse. Question number 11. By which process glucose that is taken by a bacterial cell is made to stay within the cell? Option A attaching to membrane, Option B, immediate utilization. Option C, phosphorylation. And option D, conversion to fructose. Here the right answer is option D, conversion to fructose. Question number 12. About 40% of hospital acquired infection occurs in which tract? Option A, urinary tract. Option B, respiratory tract. Option C, gastrointestinal tract. And option D, none of these. Here the right answer is option A, urinary tract. 40% of hospital acquired infection occurs in urinary tract. Question number 13. Which of the following communicate the result of the research to the readers? They facilitate the description of data. Option A, hypothesis. Option B, statistics. Option C, research problem. And option D, tables and graphs. Here the right answer is option D, tables and graphs. Question number 14. The cephalic phase of gastric secretion is mediated mainly by option A, neurohormone of hypothalamus. Option B, parasympathetic nerve. Option C, sympathetic efferent nerve. And option D, chemical agent. Here the right answer is option A, neurohormones of the hypothalamus. Question number 15. Which organism commonly causes bacillary dysentery? Option A, Klebsiella. Option B, E. coli. Option C, Vibrio cholerae. And option D, Shigella. Here the right answer is option D, Shigella. Question number 16. Patient attachment to nurse other than therapeutic relationship. Option A, respect. Option B, love. Option C, belongingness. And option D, boundary violation. Here the right answer is option D, boundary violation. Question number 17. Delusion refers to option A, thoughts or beliefs that have no basis in reality. Option B, feelings that have no basis in reality. Option C, behavior that has no basis in reality. And option D, none of these. Here the right answer is option A, thoughts or beliefs that have no basis in reality. Fixed false beliefs. Question number 18. Which of the following is a characteristic of a sample? Option A sample must be consistent with the problem to be studied. Option B, the characteristic to be studied must be represented in the sample. Option C, the sample must be representative of the total population of the group to be studied. And option D, all of these. Here the right answer is all of these. Question number 19. Angiotensin 2 plays a key role in the following risk factors for ischemic heart disease. Option A, hypercholesterolemia. Option B, ventricular hypertrophy. Option C, cardiac arrhythmia. And option D, carbohydrate intolerance. Here the right answer is option C, cardiac arrhythmia. Question number 20. Validity of a tool measure. Option A, measures what is supposed to be measured. Option B, measures consistently. Option C, is feasible and applicable. And option D, is standardized. Here the right answer is option A, measures what is supposed to be measured. Question number 21. Probability samples are simple random sample and systemic sample, purposive and convenience sample, Kyoto sampling and convenience sample, and intervening sample and parametric sample. Here the right answer is option A. Probability samples are simple random sample and systemic sample. Question number 22. Which of the following is not a type of family? Joint family, nuclear family, patriarchal family, and extended family. Here the right answer is option C, patriarchal family. Question number 23. Through which of the following method desirable channels are provided for the release of emotional energy? Inhibition, sublimation, catharsis, or repression? Here the right answer is option C, catharsis. Question number 24. Which of the following is not an intentional thought? Battery, assault, negligence, or false imprisonment. Here the right answer is option C, negligence. Question number 25. The pattern of pressure which a society exerts to maintain order and establish rules is known as social approval, group, public opinion, and social control. Here the right answer is option D, social control. Question number 26. The degree of flatness or peakness of a graph of a frequency distribution is termed as Scankar deviation, kurtosis, skewness, or option D, mode. Here the right answer is option B, kurtosis. Question number 27. Sociogramma is all except simulation method, group method, social play method, or field trip method. Here the right answer is option D, field trip method. Question number 28. Which one of the following is called an alteration in genetic material? Genotype, genealogy, mutation, or sterilization? Here the right answer is option C, mutation. Mutation is called an alteration in genetic material. Question number 29. Which of the following statement is not true? Not true about sociometry. Option A. Sociometry is based on the fact that people make choices in interpersonal relationship. Sociometry is a methodology for tracking the energy vectors of interpersonal relationship in a group. Sociometry is the non-mathematical study of psychological properties of peers. And option D. Sociometry is a powerful tool for reducing conflict and improving communication among peers. Here the right answer is option C. Sociometry is the non-mathematical study of psychological properties of peers. Question number 30. Coefficient of stability is found out to case reliability, content validity, concurrent validity, and construct validity. Here the right answer is option A, case reliability. Question number 31. A person seeing a design on the wallpaper perceives it as animal. This is an example of delusion, illusion, hallucination, and idea of reference. Here the right answer is option B, an illusion. Question number 32. Social change refers to change in dress, food habits, value system, or option D, habitation pattern. Here the right answer is option C, value system. Question number 33. Field trip can be made different from a usual picnic by proper planning and arrangement, assigning defined responsibilities to group members, option C, seeking prior permission, and option D, defined educational objective. Here the right answer is option A, proper planning and arrangement. Question number 34. The teaching technique that has the ability to connect with the audience at an emotional level is role play, demonstration, seminar, or option D, panel discussion. Here the right answer is option A, role play. Question number 35. Which method is placement of a series of variables in ascending or descending order? Ranking, rating, queue sort, or option D, none of these. Here the right answer is option A, ranking. Ranking is the placement of series of variables in ascending or descending order. Question number 36. Which of the following is not true about a pure experimental research? There is a control group. There is an experimental group. Selection of subjects in the control group is randomized. And option D, there is a careful selection of subjects in the experimental group. Here the right answer is option D. There is a careful selection of subjects in the experimental group. Question number 37. Prolonged lithium therapy can cause diabetes mellitus, Parkinsonism, chronic kidney disease, and option D, gout. Here the right answer is option C, chronic kidney disease. Question number 38. Blood supply during exercise does not decrease in cutaneous circulation, hepatosplenic circulation, renal circulation, and coronary circulation. Here the right answer is option D, coronary circulation. Question number 39. Bleeding from a posterior gastric ulcer arises from which vessels? Left gastromeningeal artery, splenic artery, right gastromeningeal artery, and inferior pancreaticoginal artery. Here the right answer is option B, splenic artery. Question number 40. The device an investigator employs to collect data is called sample, instrument, hypothesis, or concept. Here the right answer is option B, instrument. Question number 41. Most appropriate contraceptive during first 6 months of lactating period is OCP, IUCD, Regime method, or Pressure. Here the right answer is option A, OCP. Question number 42. The presence of leucine cyst in vesicular mole is due to excess FSH, LH, estrogen, or HCG. Here the right answer is option D, HCG, human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. Question number 43. A mental disorder characterized by stereotype speech is mannerism, cataplexy, verbigeration, or option D, negativism. Here the right answer is option C, verbigeration. Question number 44. Mr. A experiencing alcohol withdrawal exhibit tremor, diaphoresis, and hyperactivity. Blood pressure is 190 by 87 mm of Hg and pulse is 92 beats per minute. Which of the medications would the nurse expect to administer? Naloxone or Narcan, benzolpidem or cognagitin, option C, lorazepam or Actifan, and option D, haloperidol or Haldol. Here the right answer is option C, lorazepam. Question number 45. A neuromuscular blocking agent is administered to a client before ECT. The nurse should carefully observe the client for nausea and vomiting, respiratory difficulties, option C, dizziness, and option D, seizure. Here the right answer is option B, respiratory difficulties. Question number 46. Ejection of breast milk occurs in which of the following phase? Mammogenesis, lactogenesis, galactokinesis, and option D, galactopoiesis. Here the right answer is option C, galactokinesis. Ejection of breast milk occurs in galactokinesis phase. Question number 47. Steroid hormone of placenta are produced by Hofbauer cell, syncytial trophoblast, cytotrophoblast, and option D, all of these. Here the right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 48. Intrauterine infection of rubella caused the following defects in baby except imperforated ganners, congenital heart disease, sensory neural deafness, and option D, cataract. Here the right answer is option A, imperforated ganners. Intrauterine infection of rubella caused the following defects: congenital heart disease, sensory neural deafness, and cataract. Question number 49. Who is the father of modern microbiology? Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, Antony von Leeuwenhoek, and option D, Langskeiner. Here the right answer is option A, Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur is the father of modern microbiology. Question number 50. An infection that is not present for a client on admission to a hospital but develops in due to course of hospitalization. Option A, nosocomial infection, exogenous infection, endogenous infection, or iatrogenic infection. Here the right answer is option A, nosocomial infection. Question number 51. To test the pregnancy, a morning sample of urine is the best because human chorionic gonadotropin is usually at its highest level early in the morning. Human chorionic gonadotropin is usually at its lowest level early in the morning. Option C, oxytocin is usually at its highest level early in the morning. And option D, oxytocin is usually at its lowest level early in the morning. Here the right answer is option A. Human chorionic gonadotropin is usually at its highest level early in the morning. Question number 52. Which of the following is spared in the subtotal hysterectomy but not in a total hysterectomy? Cervix, uterus, ovaries, or adnexy? Here the right answer is option C, ovaries. Question number 53. What is the best nursing strategy to implement with an immobilized patient to avoid joint contractures? Option A, ambulation. Option B, physical therapy. Option C, continuous passive motion. And option D, range of joint motion. Here the right answer is option C, continuous passive motion. Question number 54. After a thoracentesis, observe the client for periods of confusion, expectoration of the blood, increased breath sound, and option D, decreased respiratory rate. Here the right answer is option C, increased breath sound. Question number 55. Which position should be given to an infant with cake spill? Fowler position, prone position, squawking position, or knee chest position? Here the right answer is option D, knee chest position. Question number 56. The mortality indicator include all except option A, notification rate, option B, age specific death rate, option C, expectation of life, and option D, years of potential life lost. Here the right answer is option A, notification rates. Question number 57. A substance present in breast milk that protects the baby from enteric infection is T lymphocyte, para-aminobenzoic acid, lysozyme, or option D, lactoferrin. Here the right answer is option D, lactoferrin. Question number 58. IUCD can be used after an unprotected sex as emergency contraception within 5 days, within 7 days, within 10 days, or within 15 days. Here the right answer is option A, within 5 days. Question number 59. Community health nurse should refer an expectant mother to a fast referral unit FRU if the fetal heart rate is option A, 120 to 160 beats per minute, option B, 130 to 140 beats per minute, option C, less than 120 or more than 160 beats per minute, and option D, 120 to 150 beats per minute. Here the right answer is option C, less than 120 or more than 160 beats per minute. Question number 60. The nurse explained to a mental health care technician that a client's obsessive compulsive behavior are related to unconscious conflict between ego impulses and the superego or conscience. On which of the following theories does the nurse base this technique? Interpersonal theory, cognitive theory, behavioral theory, or psychoanalytic theory? Here the right answer is option D, psychoanalytic theory. Question number 61. What nursing action would be most effective in changing the behavior of a client of a child diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder ADHD or ADHD? Option A, reward appropriate behavior, segregate the child for acting out, use aggressive punishment to control undesired behavior, and option D, use lengthy time out session. Here the right answer is option A, reward appropriate behavior. Reward appropriate behavior is the most effective in changing the behavior of a child diagnosed with ADHD. Question number 62. The best method of management of molar pregnancy of uterine size 20 weeks in a woman age 20. Option A, suction evacuation with or without oxytocin infusion. Option B, dilation and evacuation. Option C, hysterectomy, and option D, episiotomy. Here the right answer is option B, dilation and evacuation, because the woman age 20 and the uterine size 20 weeks. Question number 63. The gastroduodenal artery is derived from celiac artery, common hepatic artery, splenic artery, or option D, cystic artery. Here the right answer is option B, common hepatic artery. Question number 64. If weight for height is 2 standard deviation below from median weight for height is termed as stunting, undernutrition, malnutrition, or wasting. Here the right answer is option D, wasting. Question number 65. Demography gap refers to difference between birth and death rate, child to woman ratio, to census count, and option D, male and female ratio. Here the right answer is option A, birth and death rate. Question number 66. Which of the following cells is involved in cell-mediated immunity? T lymphocyte, mast cell, B lymphocyte, and thrombocyte. Here the right answer is option A, T lymphocyte. Question number 67. The term used to describe elevated BP, blood pressure, without an identified cause that accounts for 90% of all causes of hypertension is primary hypertension, secondary hypertension, malignant hypertension, or isolated systolic hypertension. Here the right answer is option A, primary hypertension. Question number 68. A patient has admitted with a diagnosis of bleeding gastric ulcer. The patient's stool to be coffee ground like, clay colored, black and curry, and option D, bright red. Here the right answer is option C, black and curry. Question number 69. A patient perceives that his face is distorted and his hand is becoming long. The term used to explain this condition is déjà vu, depersonalization, derealization, and option D, jamais vu. Here the right answer is option B, depersonalization. Question number 70. Which of the following etiological factor is responsible for the occurrence of leukoplakia in oral cavity? Malnutrition, smoking and chewing tobacco, option C, broken teeth, and option D, all of these. Here the right answer is option B, smoking and chewing tobacco, not the malnutrition and broken teeth. So option B is the right answer. Question number 71. The NUHM will focus on total population of urban area, urban slum dwellers, pregnant women of the urban area, or children less than 6 years of age of the urban area. Here the right answer is option A, total population of urban area. Question number 72. Ineffective endocarditis is characterized by all of the following except chorea, Janvey lesions, oscular nodes, or option D, rod spot. Here the right answer is option A, chorea. Question number 73. To further assess a client's suicidal potential, nurse should be essentially alert to the client. Expression of frustration and fear of death, anger and resentment, anxiety and loneliness, and option D, helplessness and hopelessness. It is obviously option D is the right answer, helplessness and hopelessness. Question number 74. In rural area, the administrative unit of an ICDS project is Block Development Office, Community Development Block, Gram Panchayat, and option D, District Health Office. Here the right answer is option B, Community Development Block. Question number 75. The nurse understands that the patient diagnosed with pulmonary embolism will be treated first by streptokinase, tissue plasminogen activator, IV heparin sodium, or option D, sodium warfarin. Here the right answer is option C, IV heparin sodium. Question number 76. Brain neurotransmitter serotonin 5-HT is produced from raffinuclei, substantia nigra, locus ceruleus, and option D, amygdala. Here the right answer is option A, raffinuclei. Question number 77. The protein substance developed by the body in response to an interacting specific antigen is antigen, antibody, immunity, or infection. Here the right answer is option B, antibody. Question number 78. Blood flow through the coronary arteries primarily occurs during inspiration, expiration, systole, or diastole. Here the right answer is option D, diastole. Question number 79. Infant of 4 months to 5 months of age reaches for object with unique exchange approach, big exchange approach, immature pincer grafts, and intermediate pincer grafts. Here the right answer is option B, big exchange approach. Question number 80. Which can minimize education in a disturbed client? Limiting unnecessary interaction with the client, increasing environmental sensory stimulation, discussing the reason for suspicious beliefs, and option D, ensuring constant staff contact. Here, the right answer is option A, limiting unnecessary interaction with the client. Question number 81. A newly diagnosed patient with tuberculosis category 1 will receive anti-tubercular drugs. During the phase, which of the following drug is unlikely given to the patient? Rifampicin, isoniazid, ethambutol, and option D, pyridoxine. Here, the right answer is option D, pyridoxine. Question number 82. A block tracheostomy is best recognized by which of the following? Observing desaturation on the oxygen saturation monitor, being unable to feel air being exhaled through the tracheostomy tube, hearing abnormal sound coming from the client, and option D, the inability to pass the suction catheter to the correct depth. Here the right answer is option D, the inability to pass the suction catheter to the correct depth. Question number 83. Following all are the healthcare delivery indicators except doctor's nurse ratio, population per subcenter, socio-economic gang of the population, and population bed ratio. Here the right answer is option A, doctor nurse ratio. Question number 84. A head injured patient who opens eyes to painful stimulus is confused and localized pain. What is his Glasgow-Coma scale? In Glasgow-Coma scale, there have three components: eye opening, verbal response, and motor response. And in case of eye opening, there have spontaneous is equal to 4, to sound is equal to 3, to pain is equal to 2, and none is equal to 1. And in verbal response, oriented is equal to 5, confused is equal to 4, abnormal word is equal to 3, abnormal sound is equal to 2, and none is equal to 1. And in case of motor response, obey's command is equal to 6, localized pain is equal to 5, withdrawal pain is equal to 4, and abnormal flexion is equal to 3, and abnormal extension is equal to 2, and none is equal to 1. There have total score is 15. 13 to 15 is equal to mild, 9 to 12 is equal to moderate, and 3 to 8 is equal to coma or severe. So here, who opens eyes to painful stimulus is equal to 2, each confused is equal to 4, and localized pain is equal to 5, and total is 11. So option C is the right answer. Question number 85. The nurse considers a client response to crisis interventions successful if the client develops insight into reasons why the crisis occurred, return to his previous level of functioning, option C, changes coping skill and behavioral pattern, and option D, learns to relate better to others. Here, option B, return to his previous level of functioning. Question number 86. Using IMNCI guideline, what is the best management of a child with severe pneumonia? Prescribe antibiotics. Option B, refer urgently to the hospital. Option C, instruct mother to continue breastfeeding, and option D, instruct the mother to increase the fluid intake. Here the right answer is option B, refer urgently to the hospital. Question number 87. For a 3-month-old infant who had just undergone cleft lip repair, which intervention should be avoided? Apply elbow restraint when the infant is unattended. Option B, offer a specifier when the infant is fusing. Avoid placing the infant in the prone position, and option D, clean the suture line after feeding the infant. Here the option B, offer a pacifier when the infant is fusing, is the right answer. Question number 88. The vaccine vial once open can be kept for subsequent immunization session up to 10 days, 28 days, 20 days, or option D, 45 days. Here the right answer is option B, 28 days. Question number 89. One of the risk factor for early onset sepsis in neonate is chorioamniotis. Option B, hospital's case for long time. Option C, lack of breastfeeding. And option D, lack of aseptic technique followed by caregiver. Here the right answer is option A, chorioamnionitis. Question number 90. Warning encephalopathy is attributed to severe riboflavin deficiency, excessive blood alcohol content, severe thiamine deficiency, and option D, excessive GGT level. Here the right answer is option C, severe thiamine deficiency. Question number 91. The following condition is aggravated by the use of combined oral contraceptives: hirsutism, endometriosis, premenstrual tension, and option D, cervical ectopy. Here the right answer is option B, endometriosis. Question number 92. Limbic system includes all of the following structures except amygdala, hippocampal gyri, anterior cingulated gyrus, and basal ganglia. Here the right answer is option B, hippocampal gyri. Question number 93. Pincer grapes develop at the age of 5 to 6 months, 7 to 8 months, 9 to 10 months, or 11 to 12 months. Here the right answer is option C, 9 to 10 months. Which of the following is the intervention for foreign body aspiration? Heimlich maneuver, Heckel chin lift maneuver, jaw thrust maneuver, or ortolani maneuver? Here the right answer is option A, Heimlich maneuver. Question number 95. All of the following are present in tetralogy of Fallot except pulmonary stenosis, PDA, right ventricular hypertrophy, or option D, overrigging of aorta. Here the right answer is option B, PDA, peking ductus arteriosus. Question number 96. Which one is the first antibody to contact invading microorganism? IgG, IgA, IgM, or IgD? Here the right answer is option C, IgM. Question number 87. Which is the basic characteristics of a primary group? Impersonal relationship, indirect relationship, intimate face-to-face association, and option D, temporary association. Here the right answer is option C, intimate face-to-face association. Question number 98. Passive acquired immunity is obtained by option A, exposure to a disease, option B, immunization with vaccine, option C, recovering from a disease, and option D, giving an antitoxin or anti-serum. Here the right answer is option D, giving an antitoxin or anti-serum. Question number 99. The pattern of disease in a community described in terms of the important factors influencing the specific disease pattern is known as community medicine, social medicine, community diagnosis, and option D, community treatment. Here the right answer is option A, community medicine. And the last question, question number 100. The School Health Committee of India recommended periodical medical examination of school children. Option A, at the time of admission, thereafter every 4 years, at the time of admission, thereafter every yearly, as and when required, and option D, after initial examination, every 5 years interval. So here the option A, at the time of admission, thereafter every 4 years is the right answer. তো বন্ধুরা, এই ছিল আমাদের আজকের ভিডিও। আমরা নেক্সট ভিডিওতে 2021-এর জয়েন্ট এন্ট্রান্স এমএসসি নার্সিং কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। তো বন্ধুরা, ভিডিওকে ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করো। অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।